I welcome you all. Welcome to both concepts. Welcome to my channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this dashed line. In this design, I'm not the designer of this design. Someone designed it. But you see this dashed line here, over here, all this dashed line that they used. You cannot normally create it with shapes on Pixellab. So I'm going to teach you how to create these easy steps. Alright, just make sure you follow the steps carefully, and if this is your first time on this channel, please make sure to subscribe, like and share so YouTube can recommend this video to other accounts and other subscribers and other channels that really need this video. Also share, please. Let's get the subs up to 100. All right, so now let's start. Let me hide this first. So first of all, let me just lock it. First of all, we're going to use the guidelines or the grid lines. You see this icon here? That's what we're going to press. Then we'll press this thing that looks like setting. We'll press it to adjust the guideline, the grid line. We're going to be adjusting it to the where we want the effect to be. Alright, so this is where we want the effect to be. I just want it to be around here. Okay, this is okay here. Just hide this. This is where we want it to be. Now we're going to turn it off and click on this magnet icon. This magnet icon is to make whatever we're doing attract to the guidelines. I'm going to show you now. Then after you make sure the magnet icon is on, then you click on draw. On your draw, you see your pen size. This is the size of the pen. But when you scroll up, you are going to see fill inside, dash line and neon effect. You click on the dashed line to give you the dashed line effect. Alright. You can also change the colors. We are going to be using black, or reduce the pen size. Let's reduce it to 5. Okay, this is the size of 5. So now we are going to leave the smoothness as 24. This is the smoothness as 100. I'm going to leave the smoothness at 24. Yes, 24 already. So yes, so now we're just going to start drawing. Remember, we've turned on the magnet. Now this is the use of the magnet. You see, as we're drawing, the magnet is showing red, right? It is showing red, and you can see the lines following it. That's the use of the magnet icon. You can see as I moved away from the line, this thing disorganized. So we'll just clean this place. Just clean this place. Now we're going to continue drawing. Reduce the pen size to 5, the original size. Then we continue drawing. Make sure it's on the guidelines. Now we are done with that. You can turn it off to see what you've done. Now you can see this is a straight square. It's a straight square. It's just that at that side where it was cut off, I made mistake. So we're going to try again, but with a different shape this time. Just follow closely. All right, follow closely. Let's reset everything. We're going to be setting the guidelines again. Let's try it like this. Click on this to add another one. Then we'll click on this one to add another one here. Right, so you can go over there like that. Now I'm going to try again. So remember to keep the magnet icon on at all times. Then we'll try again. Starting from this point, you move all the way here. Oh, sorry. Move all the way here. Can still move here again. So that's it. We're done with what we're doing now. So we can click on check, then turn off the guidelines. Now this is what we've created with that. You can see how perfect this is. You can see how perfect it is. You can also use this for your image, for your sketches and whatever you want to use it for. You can turn on the color and make the background white. Now let's try to use this in a design. You can just turn it on like this or reduce the size. You can centralize it also. You can put text, let's say food menu, FOD menu. Make it bold letters. So this is what I'm talking about. Let's just do a little bit of design. I never planned this design, but we can go along with it. Let's find a suitable font. Let's try Mont. Mont is okay. Okay, yes, it's okay. You can change the color to a deeper color. You can use this color. Move it down. Now you can start fixing in um the menu bar or whatever they has or whatever food they have. Let's say rice and beans. This is just an example, right? So I'm just giving you an example of how you can use this design for your whatever you want to use it for. How helpful this can be in designing. So just centralize this. You can change the colors to a lighter color, the same color of the food menu but lighter. Okay, let's use this. This is okay. So this is how helpful this is in your designs. If you know that this video has been of help to you, please make sure you subscribe, like and share. All right, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, especially if this is your first time on my channel. Always come back for more exciting videos like this. Have a wonderful day.